Imagine your house if you have never cleaned it. Broken furniture piles up, garbage fills in the room, and eventually nothing works anymore. That's exactly what happens inside our cells, especially as we age. To stay healthy, cells needs to constantly clean and recycle their old or damaged parts. They do this using a process called autophagy. Literally means self-eating. It's not that scary as it sounds, but autophagy really does a wonderful job of cells housekeeping and recycling service. When autophagy works well, cells run smoothly. But when it breaks down, cellular junk accumulates, contributing to aging and diseases including neurodegeneration, metabolic disorders, and cancer. So, how does the cellular cleaning work? Cells, unlike us, couldn't pull out a ready made garbage bag, but instead they build one by forming a tiny, tiny membrane. Think like a small garbage bag. This bag is called phagophore. Phagophore grows larger and wraps around the trash. Later becomes a sealed bag. This bag goes to the cell's degradation center where it gets broken down and recycled further. But the key challenge is you can't make a garbage bag without plastic. Similarly, for this tiny phagophore to grow into a large bag, it requires building material called lipids. These lipids now come from another organelle called endoplasmic reticulum or ER. ER is like lipid factory of the cells. For this ER to send lipids to this phagophore, they both should come into physically close contact. But we don't know what actually brings ER phagophore together. During my PhD, we identified these missing links. We actually found new proteins that might act like hooks, bringing ER phagophore together. So ER can send lipids happily to the phagophore to grow. This connection turned out to be critical because we observed when these hooks are missing, phagophore lost contact with the ER. Sadly, it doesn't grow anymore, and the cell's cleaning is also blocked. In one line, no hooks, no contact, no garbage bag, no cleaning. Currently, we are studying deeply of how these hooks keep ER phagophore connected during autophagy. Understanding how cells build and supply their garbage bags, my research explains how cells get rid of the accumulated rubbish whose failure is linked with diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and many more. A cell is just like a house, can function properly only when the trash is removed regularly. Thank you.